All right, man. For all you Gen 2s, Hayabusa, that want to change your rear brake line, the top one here feeds down and goes to your caliper. The one at the bottom goes to your master cylinder. So yeah, come from this side, this top one right here. Can you see that? Yeah, this top one, it feeds, comes all the way down and comes right to the caliper. The one on the top, the one on the bottom comes and it goes to your master cylinder. Two separate brake lines for your rear on the ABS system. And again, y'all know this is 2019. Just want to show you that.